Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, anywhere you are watching me from. I greet you according to your time. I still remember able to send me fast charity. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, press the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. So today's story, we want to talk about fake life. Those people where they live fake life. As I said earlier in this my YouTube channel, we are here to create content. We are here to discuss issues that I will benefit from and you also will benefit from. So today we are here to talk about those people living fake life. Those people where they use inferior life. Inferior, we'll talk about inferior, not the original. Let people see me, you will see them. One adage day Yoruba land where they talk say drum where get water, they make noise. Now don't we no get water, now they make cry. So my people, when I do watch once I go, I go analyze now. Please don't forget, drop your comment below. Let me see your opinion. Let me know what you think about it. Is it good for someone to live real life or fake life? So my people, now since today we want to talk about fake life. Now agbada I will show na some agbada. My time for up. Now agbada na wear today because today matter I wear cap, I wear agbada, I got tie gele join. Me na they follow me as I dey go. Fake life now we want to talk about because especially this Facebook, social media, all this most of our celebrities and most of our YouTubers, their fake life is too much. Fake life, as I see me, this is with me. Most of the time, anywhere my vlog reach me to make, now they make her. I'm not gonna say my go as go make up or my go as go put with on for head before I go come sit down. They talk story, they create content. No. Live your real life. This is free me. Live your real life. Live your real life. Some people, especially those people where they Europe, if they're not people where they this thing, where they down this side, they look us as if we say we are no human being. You get one girl saying now you YouTuber for Italy when the day of his birthday. I also make a call and to wish her an happy birthday. He said no want anybody from Tripoli make a call and more unless people from Europe, from America. Since that day now pinch myself say see my sister, this video finish where you do. Not be Europe that they do more. Some people every day Nigeria where they better pass people where they Europe 100%. When they better pass to the Europe, not be that man. And not to see people where ever see the African country, they're not the maker. Not be so. They are making it. Even most people where the African country, they make a pass to the Europe, to the America. So men are starting to use fake life. Men are starting to use fake life. This lady said no, you don't want to receive call from people where they down this side, unless people where they Europe, where they America. And I say, that be that one they think they do more. Drum where get water, they make noise. Now empty barrel, and they make noise. Men are stopping a fake life. Even most of the YouTubers, stop your fake life. Men are stopping. Someday now, if they want create content, they won't come for their vlog. Now that time they'll go find with one put for head. So I go borrow cloth to wear. Men they say, me, I dey do my vlog anywhere where it meets me. If I do my shop, see, I sit down with my machine, I think they so. They make my vlog. My own no be say, if I never dress, put with on for head, paint here, put eyelashes. When I look me, I be clean mama. Mommy favor for real. I be clean, I still no powder, no makeup. I no makeup. And I dey make this video evening time, now they make am so. Which bath I don't bath this morning, that day my body. I never dey rock panda self. Men are stopping on fake life is too much. Men are stopping. You people should use a real life. Go to social media, you go see some. If they walk on show body, now that time they go wear cloth, paint here, put color for it, do everything. Now that one they go tell. Not be that one they go tell us you be YouTuber where you paint face, paint here, paint this, go borrow post they wear. Not be that one. Me not stop on a fake life. Use your real me. That's again one sister why they only they washing vlog. I love that sister. Whether Temitope Ogunremi, he make anywhere where he did, they make a video. No send. Sometimes if you go wake up early in the morning, you go start to the making vlog. You know, say I make I go paint here, do here before I go come sit down and create content. Don't be so. You people should stop using fake life. Go social media and fool. That's why before say I even thought how they carry news, but I can't look and say most of the news where una they carry for Facebook is not real or are fake. So it's better create content that people will benefit from. You also, when they create the content, you pick your, you benefit from it. It's better. That when they carry fake rumor up and down. Hey, this one don't die, yo. Hey, this one don't go prison, whereas all is fake. Why using fake life? So people when they watch me, what do you think about this my little vlog when I just make? So is it good for someone to use to be using fake life, or for someone to be real me? This is real me fact. Yes, this is real me. Sometimes I will even forget to wear earring if I want to make my vlog. I will forget to wear a bed song. Hey, surely those our YouTubers, celebrities, they won't show themselves like this. They never go rub 24 pancake for face. No, so see my hair. Ordinary weaving I do. This one a style where they do for secondary school that year. Sometimes, especially this summer period, now I weave my hair all back. Occasionally, I go see me say I put weave on for head. So you people should stop using fake life. Let people know you for whom you are. Okay? Let people know you for whom you are. If you be white, show that you are white. If you are black, show that you are black. Stop pretending. So this my video. I go stop. I just think I use and analyze to tell people there are a lot of people that are using fake life, and stop imitating. Don't say this person wear this cloth. Me too. I won't go wear it. Stop imitating. Oh, it's fake life. Audio cloth today. Go borrow, wear and use and do your video. Use and do your vlog. Later you return her. So my people where they watch, what do you think about it? Please drop your comment below, and don't forget to like. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe and hit the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. So I drop in a comment below. What do you think about this vlog where I just make? So is it good for someone to be using fake life or real life? And then stop imitating that this person is doing this, you want to do it. Stop it. It's not good. Okay, have a wonderful